Oh my God, I am fired up, man. I just listened to Ryan Stewman talk to his good buddy Ed Milet, two powerhouse dudes, about the force of average and the thermostat. Damn. Go look it up. Break Free Academy if you want to level up your life, your business, your love life, whatever it is, your nutrition, your health. I'm Ricky Camus, top producer for AmeriFirst Financial, top recruiter, and the only national business development manager. My team produces multi-million-dollar months every single month consistently, and I've built a top producing branch that closes volumes in the deca millions. I've also taught or spoke in 13 different states on the topics of mindset. I was raised by the 82nd Airborne Division, a unit of elite soldiers trained to believe we can do anything. Today we're going to talk about how you go about changing your circumstances using your RAS. What's that? It's the reticular activating system, which is a bundle of nerves at the base of our brainstem that filters out unnecessary information so the important stuff gets through. Your RAS takes what you focus on and creates a filter for it. It then sifts through the data and presents only the pieces that are important to you. All of this happens without you even noticing. The RAS programs itself to work in your favor without you actively doing anything. It's pretty freaking cool, right? In the same way, the RAS seeks information that validates your beliefs. It filters the world through parameters you give it, and your beliefs shape those parameters. If you think you are bad at giving speeches, you're probably gonna be. If you believe you work efficiently, you most likely do. The RAS helps you see what you wanna see, and in doing so, influences your actions. Some people suggest that you can train your RAS by taking your subconscious thoughts and marrying them to your conscious thoughts. They call it setting your intent. This basically means that if you focus hard on your goals, your RAS will reveal the people, information, and opportunities that help you achieve them. If you care about positivity, for example, you will become more aware and seek positivity. If you really want a Gucci belt or wallet, for example, and you set your intent on getting one, you'll tune into the right information that helps you do that. You'll probably start seeing it all over Facebook and Instagram too. All you got to do is think about it and boom, it's in front of you. When you look at it this way, the law of attraction doesn't seem so mystical. Focus on the bad things and you will invite negativity into your life. Focus on the good things and they will come to you because your brain is seeking them out. It's not magic. It's your reticular activating system influencing the world you see around you. So, first, think of the goal or situation you want to influence. Now, think about the experience or result you want to reach in regards to that goal or situation. Create a mental movie of how you picture that goal or situation ideally turning out in the future. Notice the sounds, the conversations, the visuals, and details of that mental movie. Replay it as often as you can in your head. You have to consciously think about it. You have to get granular with this and be as detailed as possible. Make it real, as if it is etched in memory. When trying to change something in your life, whether it's a good habit or bad habit, a goal or love life, you have to be very clear on your vision, as if it has already happened and you're just remembering it, just like your last vacation. Hear the words, "I need a mortgage," or the next time you think, "I need a mortgage," your RAS will kick in and you will blurt out, 602-758-7425, call Rick, he's the best. And now you know why you will do that. It's your reticular activating system. For help on getting clear with your vision and setting up your first quarter for success, reach out to me for a one-on-one 90-minute session, free. By the time you leave, you will be very clear on what you want and, more importantly, what you don't want. We want to avoid that. And listen to me on this. If you keep doing what you've always done, you'll keep getting what you've always got. You've got to change it today. Don't let life slip away.